Welcome back! Today we're going to make Bertie Bott's every flavored beans from Harry Potter. Supplies that you're going to need for this project are a template printed out on cardstock. I will leave the link in the description box below for the template that I used. You're going to need some acetate or clear bits off of some old packaging, an exacto knife and or scissors, glue of some sort, and ribbon. I'm first going to start off by cutting out the template. I started off with an exacto knife, but I used a quite thick cardstock, so I'm going to go in with a pair of scissors because it was easier to do. I'm then going to go in with an exacto knife and cut out the windows. Once the windows are cut out, flip it over and use the acetate or the clear packaging, cut it to size, and tape it onto the window openings that you just cut out so that you have clear windows when you flip it over. Once all your windows are inserted, you're going to want to fold over all the tabs. I had a tricky time because I did use a thicker cardstock, so I used a straight edge to help me fold those over and get a flat fold, as you'll see. Another trick you can do is use an exacto knife to score the seam just a little bit to help you fold it over easier. I did this on some of the shorter, thinner seams towards the top. You'll see as I'm folding that I did use this trick, but the flat edge does work to help make that fold easier. Once all your seams are folded, you're going to want to start gluing. I used roller tape to do this, but you could use a glue stick as well. I just rolled the tape on there and started pushing together my seams to glue them together. Before gluing the bottom of the packaging together, I printed off just a picture of some jelly beans, cut it down to size, rolled it up, and put that into the Bertie Bott's package, and then glued up the bottom so it looked like there was actual beans inside of the packaging. Once I got to the top, I left one seam open so that I could slip my ribbon inside. I just took a piece of ribbon, tied a loop and a knot so that I could slide the knot inside of the seam, and I just hot glued that in so it'd stay in place, and hot glued that seam up. I then made a bow out of ribbon, this time using a blue and white striped ribbon contrasting with the red and white polka dotted ribbon we used to hang it with, and just glued that right onto the package as well. I thought it looked very cute and went along with the festive Bertie Bott packaging. It looks super cute. It came out very cute. So here's the Bertie Bott's every flavor bean package, all ready to go on your Christmas tree. What do you think? If you like this, subscribe and give it a thumbs up.